When you are ready to schedule showings, I always want to make the most of our time. However, virtually every showing is going to be valuable, and it's really important to see multiple homes. A lot of them look way too good in pictures, or there's going to be something when you're there in person that just isn't what you're looking for, and that'll never hurt my feelings. The goal is to get you the right home for you. And you'll learn a lot on the way. Almost every one of my buyers, as they move forward in the process, finds new features or new neighborhoods or things they didn't know they really wanted in a home, and they're usually pretty happy they did not get the first one that they found. And while you're there, looking at the property, feeling the flow of the home and how it will fit your needs, finding features that you like or don't like, I'll be paying most of my attention to the condition of the home. We will have a full inspection. That's not my goal at the time, but I do want to at least look at things like the roof and the siding and the windows and the major mechanicals, so we have a pretty good idea of the quality and condition of the home before you decide that you love it and you're ready to write an offer.